Hello students, you are watching EduPublic, an educational channel. I hope you will be fine. Students, today we will study the careers in biology. There are different careers after studying biology you can adopt. Students, an accurate and modern knowledge of biology will promote the comprehension of both the sciences and scientific research projects. Students, you must know that if you are choosing the subject biology, so what the careers you can choose in your future, you must know that. So there are different careers you can choose these professions in your future life. So the first one is medicine or surgery. Students, this is the career which you can choose, that a person, if he want to become a doctor or or, or a drug inspector, so he can choose or she can choose a subject as biology. So the profession of medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment of the diseases in human beings. In surgery, the parts of the body may be repaired, replaced, or removed. So when you are choosing the surgery, so the person can remove or replace the part of body. For example, removal of stones through renal surgery and transplantation of kidney and livers, etc. So both the professions are studied in the same basic courses, MBBS, and then the students go for the specialization. Students, as you know that the person is specialized uh, in medicine, like physician. Similarly, the specialization in pediatricians, and that we say that this is specialized in pediatrics, and the eye specialist. There are different terms. So you can choose the biology. Then after your secondary education, you can choose the course which is MBBS. Then you become a doctor or surgeon. Our next profession is fisheries. Fisheries is the professional study of fish production. There are different departments in Pakistan where professionals of fisheries are employed. They serve for enhancing the quality as well as the quantity of the fish production. In Pakistan, this profession can be adopted after bachelor or master level study of zoology and fisheries. So students, to adopt this profession, you must uh, you must adopt the subject as zoology in your bachelor classes, and then the specialization will be in the fisheries. So next is agriculture. This profession deals with the food, crops and animals which are the source of food. An agriculturist works for the betterment of crops like wheat, rice, corn, etc., and the animals like buffalo, cows, from which we get food. In Pakistan, there are many universities which are offering professional courses on agriculture after higher secondary education in the biology. So students, after your higher secondary education, you can also choose these professional courses which are used for the agriculture, and you can be a agriculturist professional. The next profession is animal husbandry. Students, it is the branch of agriculture concerned with the care and breeding of domestic animals, which are known as livestock. For example, cattle, sheep, etc. Professional courses in the animal husbandry can be adopted after higher secondary education in biology. Students, similarly, after your higher secondary education, you can also adopt these courses. Next is horticulture. It deals with the art of gardening. Horticulturists work for the betterment of existing varieties and for the production of new varieties. Students, if you want to become a horticulturist, so you can adopt this course after studying biology, higher secondary education. You can adopt this course as well, and you can work for the existing varieties as well as for the new production of new ornamental plants which are planted in the houses. Next is farming. It deals with the development and maintenance of different types of farms. Students, you see the different types of farms around you. There are some professionals who who studies the different courses and then they choose the farming as a profession. So you can also choose these professions and then you can use this in the farming. For example, in some farms, animals breeding technologies are used for production of animals which are better proteins and milk source. Similarly, in the poultry farms, chicken and eggs are produced. They are also produced and these are also developed by this farming profession. Student, next is forestry. In forestry, professionals look after natural forests and advises to the government of for planting and growing artificial forests. Many universities are also offering the courses, and after you can complete these courses after the bachelor level study in the zoology or botany. First, you can choose the subject zoology or botany, then the specialization will be in the forestry, and then you can adopt the forestry as profession in your future. Students, the next category is biotechnology. It is the latest profession in the field of biology. Biotechnologists study and work for the production of useful products through microorganisms. Universities offer courses in biotechnology after the higher secondary education in biology and after bachelor level studies of botany or zoology. Students, you can also become a biotechnologist, but after studying your secondary education, you must complete the course in zoology or botany, then your specialization will be in the biotechnology. So students, these are the some careers you can choose after studying the biology. So be connected and please like and share and subscribe the channel if you want more videos.